I remember when I would used to watch a lot of YouTube videos, there was one comment that always stuck out to me. I'm not sure exactly how it went, but it went something along the lines of fear of failure is way better than fear of regret, or having failing at something is 100 times better than regretting something. As I gave myself time to think about that, I actually realized it was completely true. But for the longest time, I knew that it was true. But as soon as I started to fail a lot more, that's actually when I started to get a lot better. It's actually great every single time we mess up or fail. And one of the ways I've learned this actually was from when I used to do sales calls. So I would offer this thing, people would join my Zoom meeting that I had. I had my webcam on, I had my microphone on. I had to make sure no one was in my room or the door was closed. I was so nervous about it. I remember, I just hoped that my parents didn't hear what I was talking about. I feel like it was so weird. But I remember the first sales call I had, and I had a little script or kind of a way I would try to lead them down so they would say yes. I tried that. It did not work. They made some excuse about it, saying they don't have the money or anything like that. And then that started to happen over and over and over again, and I was getting confused. I didn't know what I was doing wrong, if the thing I was offering was right. It was rough waiting basically the whole day, arranging your whole day just for that call so you make sure you actually make it. And they also have to join the call. So many times they just wouldn't show up. After the hours of calls I've had with people, young, old, completely different experiences in life, after all of that, the one thing I definitely learned from it was that every single time I got a no, I kind of learned something, whether it was something about myself, something about the thing I was offering, and I got a way to get better. Eventually I realized, oh, this was wrong about the thing I was doing. Oh, maybe I should try this instead. And instead of seeing it like each no I failed and I suck, I thought about it as each no I'm getting closer to the thing I want to achieve, actually getting a sale. So then I go on another call after tens of no's. This guy actually seems kind of interested. And from all the other no's I've gotten, I was actually able to get a sale off of him. And I just realized now as I'm saying this to you, I would not have gotten a yes from him if I didn't get the other 6-10 no's before. And then I just keep doing this. Every time I fail, I'm looking forward to it, because the next chance, the next call I have with someone on Zoom with my webcam and my mic, it's a step closer to where I want to be. I get another sale, back-to-back sales, 2 days, and then a massive sale, the biggest sale I ever got. I was so happy of all the progress I made, but I honestly expected it. After all the calls I was going on, after all the things I've learned from every no I've gotten, of course I'm going to be here. And it's not even just from this little thing I did to try to make some money, but it was in my whole life, whether I was playing sports. Every time we lost, I wasn't even that upset, because I knew that I'd gotten a lot stronger from it. I've learned a lot, skill-wise, mentality-wise. After all the rough seasons I've had with so many losses, games we should have won, we were up so many goals, but we still lost. Just the 1 or 2 times we actually win, it feels so great. And I'm able to be a better soccer player because of all of the losses that I've gotten. I might have heard this from somewhere, but I just thought about it. And a successful person isn't someone who's won once, but failed 500 times, 1,000 times. You might see just how they get the success, and you might be curious how they did it. They failed a lot. I remember when I started this little channel, I kept posting every single day, even twice a day, for months and months and months. and I still got no progress. I didn't get a single sub. I had 1 sub and that was on my other account. But then I got 2 subscribers. And then I got 40 in 1 day. And then it's where it is right now. I just kept using that momentum. I kept embracing failure. And it's led me to where I'm at right now. And I'm saying this to you because you're going to have to suck at something to get good at it. Everyone else was like that who blew up. I'm pretty sure if you watch any other YouTuber or video, they're going to talk about something similar. They're going to say, oh, I struggled for this long. I tried this many times. But as soon as I got 1 win or 1 success, boom, that instantly made me feel better. And I was able to get a lot more. I learned so much from all the failures that I had in my life. You know, things along those lines. Because it's true. And it is going to take some time. It is going to be hard. You're going to have to work a lot. But that's okay. Because I always knew that I could do something with my life. It's just that I knew that it was going to take some time. And I just had to keep doing it. I kept doing it consistently. And then I knew it was going to happen. And that's exactly how it can be like for you and literally anyone else. If you look at any successful person, they had to struggle or work hard. But that's okay. That's great, actually, because that means we can all achieve what we really want if we just keep going, keep trying, and keep failing. Give time, and it will work. Watch this video for more. Hope to see you again soon. Peace.